Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Airalo, the eSIM app that promises to save you money and hassle when traveling abroad. But is it really as convenient as it sounds? Let's find out. What it is. Airalo is a digital SIM card service that lets you buy eSIMs directly from your phone, so you can connect to mobile networks without needing a physical SIM card. It's designed to make international travel easier and cheaper by avoiding expensive roaming charges. How it works. Here's how it goes. You download the Airalo app, browse data plans by country or region, purchase the one you need, and install it as an eSIM on your phone. Once activated, you're connected to a local network in minutes. No SIM swapping, no waiting in line at the airport kiosk. Who it's for. Airalo is perfect for frequent travelers, digital nomads, or anyone going on vacation who doesn't want to deal with expensive roaming fees or hunting for local SIM cards. What people are saying. Many users love how simple and quick it is to set up, plus the fact that it's often much cheaper than carrier roaming plans. On the downside, some report that coverage isn't always as strong in remote areas, and the app can feel a bit confusing for first-time users. Pros. Wide range of country and regional data plans. No physical SIM card required. Affordable compared to roaming. Setup takes just a few minutes. Cons. Coverage may vary depending on location. Not all phones support eSIM. App can be tricky for beginners. Recommendation. So here's my take. If your phone supports eSIM and you travel often, Airalo is a game changer, worth trying. Just make sure to double-check coverage for your destination. That's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts on Airalo in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.